Hi all and welcome back to Next Stage Designs with me Sylvia. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sew the easiest scrunchie ever. For today's scrunchie you will need a piece of fabric. You can use any fabric you like. So you will need to prepare your fabric and cut 62 centimeters long and 12 centimeters wide fabric. You can use any color. I'll be using this very lightweight denim fabric, but you can use any fabric you like or any leftovers from your projects. You will need the elastic. This elastic is 24 centimeters long. Also you will need the scissors. Next, we are going to mark our wrong side. So this is my wrong side and this is my right side. I'm going to create a cross here on the wrong side. And once you know which one is your wrong side, we are going to prepare our iron and we are going to press 1 centimeter on top like so, and 1 centimeter here at the bottom as well. For the next step, once you have your piece prepared like so, we are going to fold it like this. So the right side and right side is facing each other, and we are going to sew these short sides, the 12 centimeter sides, and we are going to put it together like this. You can use the pins, and our seam allowance will be 1 centimeter. So, get your machines ready. And I'll be using a pink thread just to make it more interesting. So, and also you can see the stitches much better, but you can use any thread you like or any color. The next step, once you are done, you are going to do the top stitch. I like to fold it to one side like so, and then do 2 millimeters from this edge here, the top stitching. This is optional. You can do it or you don't have to. And also for this top stitching, I like to use longer stitch, so I will use 3 millimeter long stitch. Okie dokie, so I have done my top stitching and it looks really nice and neat. For the next step, we are going to fold it in half like so. And make sure the seam is on top of each other like this. And the wrong side and wrong side is together like so. So fold it in half, and now we are going to fold one side where we had this edge where we were folding 1 centimeter at the beginning. So we got 1 centimeter here and 1 centimeter on the other side. I'm gonna place it together like so, and place a pin. And you're gonna do so all the way around. For the next step, we are going to sew. We are going to sew about 3 millimeters from this edge here. And also I like to use about 2.5 to 3 millimeters long stitch. And we are going to start here. We are going to do back stitch all the way around, and we are going to leave 1 centimeter big gap so we can thread our elastic inside. If it helps, mark like so, and the gap will be here because I want this seam to be strong, so we're gonna go over this seam as well. So we're gonna leave the gap here, and 1 centimeter to 2 centimeters max is just fine because we don't need very big gap for our elastic. See? And we're gonna thread it inside. Okay, let's sew. Okay, so I have done my top stitching. Now you have two options. You can stop here and thread your elastic, or you can do the top stitching on the other side, which I'm going to do. But if you don't like it, you can just skip it. I really like when I have top stitching on both sides. So you decide what you want to do. Okie so let's just cut off these threads so it's nice and tidy. For the next step, we are going to thread our elastic in. I have this safety pin and simply just thread it inside. And make sure you hold the other end. I like to do it this way so I won't lose it halfway. And there we go. Now you can create a knot, or if you want, you can sew it under your machine. It's up to you, but I like to just create a simple knot like this. And make sure it's nice and secure. And once you got the knot, simply just hide it inside, and all we have to do, just finish this gap. So let's just sew all the way here. And this is it. This is our super easy and very quick scrunchie. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel Unique Stitch Designs for more ideas from me, Sylvia. Thank you very much for watching.